Hello everyone and welcome to this new video. I had the chance to talk to Rino Varghese, Business Development Engineer of iAM by Immensa. Come with me and let's take a look at what they're doing.
We are iAM by Immensa. We are actually a 3D printing company, especially for complicated home decor. Yeah, so as you can see here, these are the different complicated shapes and sculptures we have done recently. And when it is very complex, the 3D printing is the best manufacturing process to go with. So the advantages being we can make any customized shapes, which is very complex, and with a very less lead time when compared to the conventional manufacturing. Yeah. So please feel free to have the complete booth look. Actually, this is something that we did in collaboration with a company called Huda Lightings. We have done a contest to bring up complicated shapes and designs in the lighting industry. So different designers did these designs, and I think one of this won the prize for that. So these are the different light enclosures that we can use 3D printing for.
What kind of materials do you use?
We actually have different grades of material. Basically, it's plastic, recyclable plastic, and we have like PLA, PETG, and then nylon, PA12. Based on the customer requirement and working parameters, we come up with suggestions for the material.
If you want to know more about iAM by Immensa, take a look at their website in the description below. As Rino mentioned, for us, iAM by Immensa's mission is to use 3D printing as the key fabrication method in the fit-out industry. If you're wondering what Immensa is the parent company. It's the region's leading production additive manufacturing company, and they also use 3D printing for many other use cases like oil and gas, medical, etc. So iAM by Immensa, it's the arm that is more related to interior design solutions, as we saw throughout the video. But I'll leave both links in the description for you. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe.